One day, Buddha was walking from one town to another with few of his followers. This was in the initial days. While they were traveling, they happened to pass a lake. They stopped there and Buddha told one of his disciples, "I am thirsty. Please get me some water from that lake over there." The disciple walked up to the lake. When he reached it, he noticed that some people were washing clothes in the water. As a result, the water becomes very muddy. The disciples thought, "How can I give this muddy water to Buddha to drink?" So he came back and told to Buddha, "The water in the lake is unfit to drink." So the Buddha said, "Let us take some rest here by the tree." After about half an hour, again Buddha asked the same disciple to go back to the lake and get some water to drink. The disciple went back to the lake. This time he found that the lake had absolutely clear water in it. So he collected some water in the pot and brought it to the Buddha. The Buddha looked at the water and then he looked up at the disciple and said, "Look, you've let the water be and the mud settled down on its own. You got clear water. It didn't require any effort." The moral of the story is, take a deep breath and relax. Everything's going to turn out better than you expected.